Now go to the geometry, design model, open the design model now. Everyone is having this window. Now, file, then create, concept, tool, unit, view, help. तो उसमें क्या क्या है और कैसे क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं हम देखेंगे. पहले क्या क्या टूल्स है इसके अंदर. ये हो गया आपका. देन एक्सट्रूड, देन रिवॉल्व, देन स्वीप, थिन सरफेस, फिक्स रेडियस ब्लेंड, वेरिएबल रेडियस ब्लेंड, वर्टेक्स ब्लेंड. सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप जैसे हमारा प्रोग्रेस होगा, जैसे अभी पैटर्न क्या है ये हम देखेंगे. ठीक है. देन कंसेप्ट, how to create the lines from the points, because line is output of direction of points. Then line from the sketch, line from the edge, 3D curve, split, edge, surface from the edge. So this activity we are going to do. Then next, surface from the sketch, surface from the faces, detach, ये सब हम देखने वाले हैं. Then tool, freeze, unfreeze. Then name selection, attributes, mid surface, join, enclosure, face split, ये सब देखने वाले हैं. Then units, 30 meter. Our window is open और graphics is open for 30 size geometry. तो विंडो आपका दिया है, उसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना एरिया अवेलेबल है फॉर वर्किंग, फॉर ज्योमेट्री क्रिएशंस. बट आई वांट टू वर्क इन mm. तो आई विल चेंज दिस यूनिट. यहाँ पे देखो 30 mm है. इफ आई एम चेंजिंग दिस, कैन यू सी चेंज नाउ. इसका एडवांटेज क्या है? सपोज आई एम हैविंग द ज्योमेट्री इन 1 mm. I am having the geometry or I am having suppose square of 1 mm. Presently graphics is of 30 meter in dimension. Okay. Now I want to create the geometry of square having 1 mm length, 1 mm height. I am creating this one. How to create? Go to the XY plane. Now I want to draw the geometry in XY plane, 2D only. So I will go for the XY plane. I want this. Look at face. मुझे वो face to face चाहिए XY plane. This is XY plane. I want to draw the sketch, because once we create the sketch, based on the sketch, we will go for the geometry creation. Right? So once we have this surface, which is XY plane, I want to create the sketch on the XY plane. I want this face to face. So for that, what I will do, I will click on the Z. Can you see here? Or look at face. Okay. Now again one more option. यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑप्शन है, सेव शॉर्टकट है. यहाँ पे जितने भी फाइल क्रिएट, यहाँ पे जो ऑप्शंस है उसके अंदर सेम ऑप्शंस वी हैव द शॉर्टकट्स ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म इंटरफेस. सपोज आई वांट टू क्रिएट द एक्सट्रूड shortcut is available here. Now I want to create the square in this geometry. Presently, what is the dimension? 50. But if I want to create the geometry of 1 mm by 1 mm size square, if I am going for the sketch, can you see the modeling here where outlines are available? Now I want to create the sketch on XY plane. I will go to the sketching option. Can you see? Go to sketching. And in that, I want to go for the square. अभी उसके अगर डायमेंशन देना रहा, सपोज आई वांट टू गिव द डायमेंशंस, आई विल गो थ्रू द डायमेंशंस हियर. डायमेंशंस 5 meter. Now if I am changing this to 1 mm, 0.001, 0.001, is it possible for you to visualize it? Yes. Again, we have to do the activity of zoom in, zoom out. So to avoid this type of hurdles in our geometry creations, better what you can do, you can go for the again delete it. Better you go for the unit and change this into millimeter now itself. Instead of doing the resizing, zooming, zoom out in the next stage, we are avoiding that hurdles now itself. So change the unit. You can 7 mm. I can zoom it, zoom out, and I can draw the geometry so that I can visualize it properly. So if I am going for the XY plane, sketching, geometry creation, rectangle, dimensions, length, right? Can you see? It is very easy for me to visualize it properly. Previous case, it was difficult. So it is saving our time. Okay. Now go to the, ये हो गया sketch. I am having square shape now. Exactly square because length and height is same. I can create it rectangle. Right? Now come to again the modeling part. Once I am having the XY plane, whatever the sketch I am having, that window it is opening. Sketch 2. Okay, if I am creating the new sketch, sketch 3. Where was the sketch 1? It was there, but I deleted it. Right? Then, similarly, I want to draw the sketch on XZ plane. I can go for the XZ plane, sketch, but it is not face to face. Look at face nahi hai. Look at face. Now, can you see the XZ plane here? XZ plane. Now, I want to create the YZ plane. Sketch. Click on here. Look at me. अभी देखो XZ है. अभी क्या आएगा? YZ. Positive Z, positive Y देगा. Positive X, positive Z देगा. So, then, okay. Now, next part. I am deleting again. If you have the file, you can import it here. You can export the file. Export the geometry. I am creating geometry. I am having the ANSYS student license. But third party is having the license of COMSOL Multiphysics or SolidWorks simulation. So, but he want to utilize the same geometry. Okay, so I will export the geometry and he will utilize in his software or her software. Alright. Then create. Now presently I am working on which plane? XY plane. XY plane. Sketch is in XY plane. Right? Now I want to extrude it. I can simply go for the extrude option and apply here generate 3D. Yes. What is the length? What is the length of extrude? You can see here 30 mm. I can change to 10 mm and generate. So whenever there is an updation from our side, we have to click on the generate. Then only it will reflect in the geometry. Suppose I am having 1 mm thickness or extrude. Simply once I am updating 1 mm, it will not change until and unless I am not clicking on the generate option. But I want to do the activity in the opposite direction. How can I move in this way? By click control and right center button, scroll button. Control, press the control and scroll. I can shift. Okay, in this way. Now I want to rotate it. I can rotate by simply press the scroll button and I can rotate it. Okay. Yes, got the point. Zoom it, zoom out. जो scroll button है आपका और zoom it, zoom out करेगा. Now again I want to go for the look at face, XY plane, but our geometry is 3D. I want to go for the revolve option, revolve. So okay, I am deleting the extrude option now. Delete. Now I want to create cylinder. So I have the revolve option. Okay, click on the revolve option. Now see, the good thing is what type of activity you have to do. That message will appear in the left side. Can you see the revolve creation? So for revolve creation, what you have to do, select the base object. So what is the base object जिसको हमको create करना है? Rectangle. So I will create this base object as sketch. Apply. And axis along which we want to revolve, I will select this axis. Okay. See, I am clicking on the y-axis now. Apply. Generate. Can you see here? Please. जिसकी ज्याचा बहुत ही आपल्याला रिवॉल्व करायचा आहे. Okay, now instead of that axis, I want to change that axis. I want to revolve around this axis. Apply. Generate. Can you see here? Yes. Any difficulty here? Now, please. See, click on the edit option. See, geometry means sketch. Yes. Axis option is there. I'm going for the circle now. Sketching. Circle. This is circle. Now I want to draw some curve. Suppose I am having this YZ plane now. YZ plane. I will go for the sketch option. Sketching. Suppose spin line. Okay. Right. End. Open end. Now for this geometry, I want to go for the sweep option. Means whatever the trajectory we are developing, the geometry, whatever the initial sketch we are having, it will follow the path. So throughout this spline, it will create the geometry. Profile. And path. This is the path. Profile means which geometry you want to create. जिसको हमको उसी शेप में फॉलो करना है. So this is our circle is our sketch one which is profile. Impasse. और path means जिसके along हमको वो geometry draw करना है. So I have drawn the spin option. Can you see here? One sketch. This is the path. Skin option. Okay. I am having this shape, square shape, but another shape I am having, but it is somewhat far away from this sketch. So we want to draw the different sketch on a different plane. So for creating that offset plane, what can I do? I will go for the XY plane, and parallel to XY plane, I want to draw another XY plane, new one. So I will go to the, where? Can you see here XY plane? आपको दिख रहा है? There is option new plane. I will go to the new plane here, and whatever the plane we have selected, parallel to that, it will create the new plane. Plane 4, but it will be somewhat away from that XY plane, original XY plane. So what I will do? Can you see your option? Type from the plane, YZ plane. Is it visible to you? Set. Okay. So YZ plane, apply. Then, if I want to change that, it is not possible for me now. Suppose I want to change this one, base plane. I will select ZY plane. It will be updating the part accordingly. Now, again, I will go for the XY plane. I will select it, update it, XY plane. Now, go to the transformation. Can you see here? Reverse normal, Z axis, flip XY, offset X, offset Z. Now, I will go for the, which one? Offset towards which direction? Z. Z is the only option I am having. So, I will go for the offset Z. Now, previously it was here. Now, after 3, still it is. Suppose I am having 10 mm. Can you see here? It is somewhat away. This is first plane. This is second plane. Yes. Now, on this new plane, I want to create the geometry. So, I will go for the plane 4. Go to the sketch. Look at face. I can draw the another square in this case. Okay. Now, generate. I have 2 sketches now. This one on XY plane and this one on new plane. Now, I want to create the body between the 2 faces. For that, I will go for the skin option. Go to the skin option. I have to select both the sketch. This one and this one. Apply and generate. Can you see here? Previously it was having this section. Now this is our first sketch. This is our first sketch, and this one is our second sketch, which is on new plane. So if I want to change the distance between the two faces, what I will do? I will go to the XY plane, edit. Instead of that, I will go for the 100 and generate. Can you see here now? Got the point? Yes. So what we learned today? How to create the geometry, how to use the extrude, revolve, sweep, skin. And again, there are so many things. XY plane, how to create the XY plane. Additionally, parallel to XY plane, how can we create the new plane? Okay, how to create the sketch, how to give the dimensions. That activity we have learned today. We will practice for half an hour next week, and remaining activity having here create thin क्या है, variable क्या है, concept क्या है, how to create the body. All the details we will discuss in the next class. Now one last thing. Previously it was zero body. If I am deleting this part, suppose delete. Is there any body right now? If I am having this sketch 1, sketch 2, still we haven't created any body. Zero part, zero body. Okay? Once we apply the option of skin or loft, then only we can observe the body option. Yes. Now this is the physical model available for the simulation. Otherwise it was only sketch previously. अभी इसके ऊपर हम काम कर सकते हैं. Got the point? So hope you understand. जो एक्टिविटी किया है अभी आज, वही एक्टिविटी आपको रिपीट करना है. If you have the software, utilize it, or whenever you get the time, sit here, or next week anyhow we are doing the activity. Okay? So thank you.